Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple hair oil recipe. Now this is a no cook hair oil and it is a zero waste recipe. So let's go ahead and see what all we need for this. Now the first thing we need are curry leaves. So I have some stalks here and some leaves here. They're all completely dried up. So this is how we want them. And then the next is fenugreek seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds. I've just taken about a teaspoon of it. So this is the next ingredient we need. And then I also have just one stalk of neem leaves. All these ingredients we're going to be infusing into the oil. So we're going to keep this aside and then I'm going to show you what oils we need. To make our hair oil, we need equal quantities of castor oil and coconut oil. So I have used cold pressed coconut oil, and even the castor oil is organic castor oil. If you have the option of using organic variety of oils, make use of that because it is better for the hair. I also have a glass jar here. I'm going to be adding the oils into this glass jar. So it is equal quantities of both the oils. So first I'm going to be adding in the castor oil. Next goes in the coconut oil. I'm going to be adding equal quantities of the coconut oil as well. Depending on the size of our jar, we can take 100 ml of each or 100 ml of only coconut oil or only castor oil. We can also add olive oil and take equal quantities of all three or however we like it. So we can play around with the oils as and how we like it. And all three oils are great for the hair. Now that our oil mixture is ready, I'm going to start adding in the infusing agents. So first goes in the methi. Next to go in will be the curry leaves. So I'm just going to add in how much of a curry leaves I want. None of these quantities are to measure. You can just eyeball the quantities. So I have quite a few curry leaves in hand. So I'm going to be adding in how much of a curry leaves I want into the mixture. I have this curry leaf stock which I'm going to be adding in. Adding in the neem leaves as well. So all the three ingredients that we have added into the oil are great for healthy hair. Now neem basically has antiseptic properties and is great for any scalp infections or dandruff, etc. The curry leaves of course is great for hair growth and for preventing hair fall. And the methi or the fenugreek is a great conditioner and a coolant for the scalp. Pushing in all the contents to make sure that it is all seeping in the oil and not floating on top. Now as you can see, everything is inside the oil, but I think the oil quantity is still less. So I'm just going to go ahead and top it off with some more oil. This is how the final mixture looks. So all I'm going to do now is keep this on a windowsill or in some secluded space where there is light coming in but not necessarily direct sunlight, and allow it to seep this way for about 2 or 3 weeks. Since we're infusing the contents, that is the reason we're using a glass container. So do make sure you use a glass container if you're following this method of making the oil. 3 weeks you can strain the contents of the oil and start using the oil. So the oil will be ready and it will have a greenish tinge to it because of all of these additives that we've added. And this oil is a great oil for any kind of scalp problems and for using as a regular hair oil. You can just take a little bit of the oil, warm it up and then massage it into your scalp, leave for about half an hour to 45 minutes and then wash off with any shampoo or any kind of hair wash that you use. The reason I call this recipe a zero waste recipe is because of all the ingredients that we're using. We're not having to buy anything as such. And also once the hair oil is completed, we can repeat the process for one more batch and then we can just wash off the stalks and the leaves with water and then add it to our compost bin. So basically we are wasting nothing from this hair oil recipe. As you can see, my jar is all set and I've placed it and it will be ready in 2 or 3 weeks. So if you like these kind of zero waste recipes and would like to see more from us, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you're notified as and when we post any new recipes. Thank you for joining me. See you again next week with a new recipe. Bye.